Today I'm going to walk you through how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. If you have ever wanted to hide a photo of maybe a past ex, or just photos you don't know if you want to keep on there, and you don't want to delete it and you don't want to lose the likes, this is the trick for you. We're going to go ahead and jump into Instagram. I'm on my iPhone right now and working in the Instagram app. From there, you want to go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And then you see this is my profile. If there's a couple of photos I don't want somebody to look at or see, but I don't want to delete them yet, I'm going to go ahead and click on that photo that I want to delete. Let's just say it's, this picture of my dog. I'm going to go ahead and hit the three dots at the top right, and I'm going to hit archive. By doing that, it's going to take it completely off of my profile, as you can see here, and nobody can see it. However, if I go to my three lines at the top, hit archive, then it's going to show up on my archives. If I click on it, you can see all my likes are still there and all my photos, and I can keep it here as long as I want to off of my profile page. If you can't see this right here, you can go ahead and go to post, and then you can change it to the post archives if it's not showing up. Then when I decide I want to bring that photo back, if I ever decide to bring it back, all I'd have to do is go ahead and click on the photo, go to the three dots, and hit show on profile. Then you can see it's left my post archives. I can go back to my profile, and now it's back on my profile with the comments and with the likes intact. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.